Hey there, it's Dez, and today I'm going to show you the new Motorola RAZR smartphone. Now this is the mid-range little brother foldable to the flagship Motorola RAZR Plus that was launched this summer, but this one costs a little bit less. I'm going to go over the key features and specs of this affordable new RAZR and hopefully help you decide if this is the RAZR you're looking for. Now if you haven't seen the new Motorola RAZR and the recently released RAZR Plus, they follow the same iconic design you may remember from RAZRs of the past, but they're thoroughly modern and updated with beautiful displays, big batteries, and very capable cameras. First up, let's talk about the external screen on the RAZR. The new RAZR has a smaller 1.5-inch external screen to view all of your essentials at a glance. It'll show notifications, weather, help you set a timer, take photos, and hey, check out our little buddy here. Now inside the main screen is a beautiful 6.9-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, similar to what you'd find on the more expensive RAZR Plus, making this a great phone for watching videos and playing your favorite games. The new RAZR comes equipped with a 4200 mAh all-day battery, which is actually a little bit bigger than its big brothers. It's 30-watt turbocharge capable and supports wireless charging as well. Now you should know there isn't a charger in the box, just a charging cable, so be sure to grab a new charger if you don't already have one. The RAZR is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor. It's got 8 gigs of RAM and up to 128 gigs of onboard memory. Now in the camera department, the RAZR is equipped with a 64-megapixel main camera, which takes nice shots in good light, and it has a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera that can capture macro shots as well. Check these shots out: ultra-wide, main camera, and now macro. Cool! Inside, the RAZR has a 32-megapixel selfie camera, and checking out the camera menu right here, it's got a wide range of fun and useful camera modes. Now speaking of modes, I've really enjoyed using the Moto Unplug mode on the RAZR. No, it's not a grunge band playing an acoustic set, it's more like putting yourself in a technology thinking time to help block out distracting notifications and apps to help you stay focused and present. Now inside the box, you've got the new RAZR, documentation, and the charging cable. So there you have it, the new affordable Motorola RAZR with a pocket-friendly, stylish design and that vegan leather finish, capable cameras, an all-day battery, and that beautiful screen. I hope this first look has been helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a note in the comments below. The new RAZR is available now, so you can check it out at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at Motorola.com. This has been Dez with the new Motorola RAZR. Thanks so much for watching. Now stay tuned for another great video coming up next.